Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before you replace a support roller in your dryer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Your first step is to remove the top panel screws and set the panel aside. Next, depress the tabs on the control panel and pull it off. Disconnect the wire harness. Remove the screws to release the circuit board bracket. Remove the control bracket screws and pull the bracket off. Now, remove the screws located at the base of the dryer. Pull the lower panel out and then down to detach. Reach into the lower cabinet to disconnect the door switch and moisture sensor wire harnesses. Remove the screws at the bottom and at the top of the front panel. Remove the mounting screws located inside the door and pull the panel off. Remove the lower bulkhead mounting screws and loosen the upper screws. Remove the mounting screws from the blower housing. Lift the bulkhead off the upper mounting screws and set it aside. Next, remove the dryer belt by depressing the pulley to release the tension and unthreading the belt from the pulley and motor shaft. Now use the belt to lift out the drum. If still intact, remove the old roller by releasing the front tri-ring and sliding the roller off of the shaft. Remove the back tri-ring as well. You're now ready to install the new support roller. Clean the shaft and install the back tri-ring. Slide on the new roller and secure with the front tri-ring. Now, replace the drum by aligning its rim on the two rear rollers and loop the belt around the tension pulley and motor shaft in a zigzag formation. Rotate the drum to help align the belt. Now, reinstall the bulkhead by aligning it on the upper screws. Tighten the screws. Replace the lower screws, as well as the ones for the blower housing. Reattach the front panel by lining it up on the cabinet. Then secure it with the upper and lower screws, as well as the screws inside the door. Reconnect the door switch and moisture sensor wire harnesses. Slide the lower panel up into position and secure it with the screws. Reinstall the control panel bracket. Reattach the circuit board bracket. Reconnect the control panel's wire harness and snap the panel back into place. Replace the top panel. Secure it with the screws and plug the appliance back in to make sure it's functioning properly. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.